Hello guys, welcome to Techavro channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm gonna show you how to sync your Gmail data. So guys, for that go to your Gmail. Now tap on the three dot line, swipe down and go to settings. Now tap on the three dot icon, tap on manage accounts. Now choose your Gmail, tap on sync account, and then you have to turn on this option that I am turning on. And you have to always turn on this option auto sign data, and then your sign data will be automatically updated. So guys, this is very easy to do. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching the video.